Cool spot?
Oh yeah.
I figure we got that, and then you got all this, and you still got Lucas Oil in. What's poppin', guys, and welcome back to Matt's Big Dream. I'm gonna apologize now for any wind noise. There's a little bit of a breeze out here, but today we're gonna be flying the drones. I'm actually gonna be meeting up with my buddy Chris Miller. Some of you guys might remember him. Back years ago, before I even flew a drone, the first drone I ever flew was his Typhoon, unique Typhoon, and he got me into it, and now I'm a drone guy. And I'm gonna be meeting up with him and my bro Spoc and his son Gabe from Game Boy Gabe. Go subscribe to Game Boy Gabe on YouTube. And we're gonna fly the drones. We're all bringing our drones down here. We're in downtown Indianapolis, just southwest side of downtown. So I can see Lucas Oil Stadium from here, and we're right off the White River. You might hear the sound of the water because it's raging right now. There's an abandoned place back behind me. Thought it'd be a cool place to fly right here. So we're gonna do that. Let's do it. So I'm actually flying with an ND4 filter on the drone right now. I've got a whole set of filters, newer filters that are nice, but I haven't used them yet. And so I figured we got a nice sunny day. I tried that ND4 filter. Some traffic out here I gotta watch out for. But there's some shots of downtown and Lucas Oil Stadium and this raging water because we've had some heavy rains. But let's go back and fly around this thing real quick. So I actually tried to fly the Mavic indoors recently. I took it to work. Yeah, it was pretty cool. It worked pretty good. I had to put it in tripod mode. I know there's a lot of people saying different things about what to do to fly indoors to make sure you don't get a GPS signal and hit a wall or something. You can't put it in tripod mode when it's not started up yet. So I started up, took it off the ground, put it in tripod mode. It stayed stable, and I flew around the warehouse, and it worked out pretty good. It's actually it did exactly what it should do and stayed steady the whole time. I wasn't worried I was going to hit something. I could have flown in a lot tighter space probably. It's pretty cool. All right, guys, that was the video. Big thanks to Chris Miller and my bro Spoc and his son Gabe for meeting up and flying the drones today. It was a lot of fun hanging out with those guys. Hey, please go subscribe to Chris Miller. He had to actually create a new YouTube channel. I guess he got a bunch of strikes, he said, but CA Miller is his channel, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. Also want to give a big shout out to my buddy Expat in Mazaron. His name's Sean Matthews. If you guys don't know who that guy is, I'm going to link to him in the description below. And he does some really cool drone stuff. So if you like this video, you're going to love his channel. And it's Sunday, and on Sundays he does a cool live stream, and a lot of people join in. A lot of drone guys join in this live stream. I think it's 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so that's what time it is here. But he, like I said, he's in Spain, and it's obviously, you got to look that up yourself. I don't know what time it is over there at that time. But yeah, please go check out his live stream and join in with us and talk about some drones and things like that. And I appreciate you guys coming along on a little drone video today. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace. Yeah, that's why I ignore him. Like, this dude trash talked me. I could have said so much, and I could have dogged this dude, and I just laughed at him. He's like, you're all right, man.